said I was weaving in and out of traffic. I literally got out of her way. She's a fucking bum, bro. I'm gonna stay right behind her, fuck it. She's going mighty fast. Her own thumb. What the hell did I just watch? Alright, I gotta think of Turkey Hill ASAP. Okay, let's think. I got one. I think. I know where to go. Man, I wish I got it on camera when she flipped me off, bro. That would have been so funny. That Karen back there said I was weaving in and out of traffic. I literally was like riding almost the middle lane, so I got out of her way. I just like dodged out of her way pretty quickly, and she thinks I'm weaving in and out of traffic. Like, you want to see weaving in and out of traffic? I will show you that, but I don't want to be a dick. But my goodness. Hello? Bruh. What the hell was that? Time to get some gas. Gotta put some gas in it. Oh, this Turkey Hill is nice. You know what it has that the other one doesn't have at my house? Apple Pay. Yoink. Oh. Never mind. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me try again. Alright, never mind. This place doesn't have working Apple Pay. Who is this little lady? Hello. I want to whip it in corners today. And just enjoy the nice view that they offer as well. Oh, baby! I gotta go left. Oh my. It looks a little weird, never mind. Suzuki. More like gay. I'm gonna save my battery life. I'll come back in a little bit when I'm in the nicer area that I want to be in. It's gonna be like another 20 minutes. Like, Alright, I made it. That was a long 30 minutes. This area is so nice, so it's like right on the other side of the bridge. Beautiful. Here to have some fun though, I'll tell you that much. Stop here. Look at that sign. It's telling me to go here. This is such a dangerous turn. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh my lord. Holy hell. Holy hell. Brother. Oh. We're turning around. Fine. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Look at this. Hold up. Recording. Okay. Oh, my God. Hold up. Oh, my God. I'm a little scared getting out of here, though. But I think this is worth it. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look. Hold on. Ready? Thumbnail. Boom. Hold on. Let me get a good shot. Yes, sir. There we go. It's pretty nice. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. That looks so nice. I see sport bike riders. This probably better not slow me the hell down. Oh my God, he is. He's doing exactly that. Come on, dog. I want to know where these guys are going. This is exciting. I couldn't really hear them, but I think they said they're going to some car meet. I have no idea. I couldn't hear them.
Definitely not here. I don't know where the fuck it was, dude. I don't know, but I'm definitely about to park my bike up over there and take a picture of it.
It's a popping car meet.
Hell yeah, bro. I have no fucking. They gave no fuck. All they said was your PA, river address.
I mean, not all of us blowing a stop sign like right in front of a cop.
Yeah.
Right across the street.
Yeah, I saw that last minute.
I was like looking at the sign and I'm like, stop, right, turn off.
Goes through.
Like, fuck, I'm too fried for this.
Hit me right in the face. My God, this reservoir sock is not holding on anymore. It's pointless. time to leave him. I gotta go back home.